Understanding the phrase, trust to luck, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, trust to luck. This phrase is used quite often in English conversations, and understanding it can really help you in mastering the nuances of the language. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Trust to luck is an interesting phrase that essentially means relying on chance rather than one's own efforts or abilities. When someone says they are trusting to luck, they are hoping that things will turn out well without having any real control or influence over the outcome. It's a way of expressing a hopeful, yet hands-off attitude towards a situation. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. I didn't study for the test. I'm just going to trust to luck. Here, the speaker is relying on chance rather than their preparation to succeed in the test. 2. We don't have a map, but let's just trust to luck and start hiking. In this case, the speaker suggests depending on luck rather than planning a specific route. These examples show how trusting to luck often implies a lack of preparation or control. This phrase is used in informal settings and is perfect for casual conversations. It's not typically used in formal or professional contexts. You might use trust to luck when you're in a situation where the outcome is uncertain. You want to express a relaxed or carefree attitude about the future. You acknowledge that you haven't prepared as much as you should have. Trust to luck is a phrase that beautifully captures the essence of hoping for the best in uncertain situations. It's a useful addition to your English vocabulary, especially if you want to express a sense of optimism without the need for control. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.